Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello helper and friend. Today we are going to learn how to double space on Google Docs. So friend, in this tutorial I will guide you step by step all the things. So friend, you will learn very new things. And friend, if you're coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, let's see on the computer how we can add double space on Google Docs. So friend, here you can see this is my sample paragraph and here I want to add space. Okay, so what we will do, here you can see this toolbar. Okay, and here you can see one option. This is up an arrow icon and here you will see line and paragraph spacing option. You simply click on that. Whenever you click, then you will get this pop-up box. Okay, and friend, here you can see single space and 1.5 space and double space. Okay, right now we want to add double space. Okay, so first step, you select the paragraph which you want to add space and then you click on this icon and click on double. Okay, so friend, here you can see this space is added over here. By this way you can easily add space into your Google Doc. And if you want to add custom space, then you can do by this custom spacing. Simply click on that and here you can see 2. You can also add 3, 5, any amount you want to add. For example, here I'm adding 5, so you will get this idea. Simply click on apply button. So friend, you can see space is added over here. If you want to remove this space, you simply click on this icon and simply click on this single. Okay, so friend, here you can see your space are removed. So friend, this is a tutorial which I want to share with you guys how you can add double space on Google Docs. So friend, I hope you learned something new. If maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video.